This is Daintree, the oldest rainforest on Earth, even older than the Amazon. Over 180 million years old, it's located in northeastern Australia, in Queensland. It's named after Richard Daintree, a former representative of Queensland in London. Covering 1,200 square kilometers, roughly the size of Hong Kong, this forest is home to remarkable biodiversity. It shelters more than 600 species of animals, 12,000 insects, and 3,000 plants. But Daintree is also known for its emblematic animal, the cassowary, one of the largest birds in the world. This ancestor of the dinosaurs can reach 1.7 meters in height and weigh up to 70 kilos. But many other species inhabit this forest. For example, cockatoos, monitor lizards, tree kangaroos, and giant kingfishers. Daintree is also known for being the only place in the world where two UNESCO World Heritage Sites meet, the rainforest and the Great Barrier Reef. The latter, the only living structure visible from space, is home to a wide variety of biodiversity. There you can observe turtles, sharks, and manta rays. Around the estuaries, on the shore, the presence of small fish, crustaceans, and aquatic insects also attracts other species, such as kingfishers. Saltwater crocodiles are also particularly fond of this environment. They can sometimes be seen crossing the sea to reach a new estuary. Beyond its ecological richness, Daintree is also distinguished by its unique microclimate. While Australia is the driest inhabited continent in the world, Daintree is a green and humid region. This uniqueness stems from Daintree's geographical location. Situated on the northeast coast of Australia, this region is exposed to humid winds from the Coral Sea. This causes condensation and therefore the formation of clouds. When they reach the continent, these clouds are blocked by the surrounding mountains. The humidity thus retained creates a microclimate conducive to rainforest growth. Nevertheless, the Daintree region now faces new challenges. Natural disasters, such as Cyclone Jasper in 2023, are now more frequent and intense due to climate change, which also raises the issue of coral preservation and marine biodiversity. However, Daintree is resilient. It has subsisted for millions of years and still remains a sanctuary for wildlife today.